Today I'm taking the plane to go to the dentist. Yes. Feels like a VIP. Well, I'm not. It's just when you live on Ishigaki Island, wherever you want to go, you have to take the plane because ferries don't take you to the surrounding or the main island of Naha. So Ishigaki Island airport, everything looks backward. It says domestic, but there is actually a new terminal which is international. It's brand new, it's never been in use. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna walk in. So going straight here is domestic one. If you take to the right, you go to the international airport. So let's go to the right. And this is the brand new international airport of Ishigaki. I say brand new because it's never been in use. It's been built it's almost 3 years now. And sadly, 3 years it just stays closed. Before the global pandemic, we had a direct flight from Hong Kong and from Taiwan to Ishigaki. That was super practical. Unfortunately, no international flight. Every year they announce it's gonna resume soon, but then every year the brand new airport stay closed. And over there is a domestic airport where I'm going now to take my flight. Departure from Ishigaki to the rest of Japan. That's a lot of flight to go. I'm gonna take, let me guess, let me show you. I'm going to this one. Going to Nagoya. Plenty of flight to go today. So yes, I'm taking the plane to go to Nagoya. Basically, I'm going to my dentist. And this might sound very strange to take the plane to go to the dentist, but as I said earlier, from Ishigaki, the only place you can go by boat is Yaeyama archipelago. So if I want to go to a big city, I have to take a plane. So I can go to Naha or Tokyo, Nagoya, Osaka, and Hakata. So I used to live in Nagoya for many years, and I have an excellent dentist there. So I didn't want to gamble and try to find a replacement one here in Ishigaki, because well, it's not about only the skill of the dentist, it's also all the machines they have and so on. So I know the one where I used to go in Nagoya is it took me many years to find a good one, an excellent one. So that's why I'm going there twice a year for the maintenance of my teeth. And this year, for the first time, I'm going to do also my health check, because when you live in Japan, you can do the health check once a year for free. If you pay the social insurance, I mean the insurance, the health insurance. So I used to do it in Ishigaki once a year, but the level is so low. I mean, what they are checking is basically just your weight and blood. They check the blood pressure and take a blood sample, and that's pretty much. When I used to live in Nagoya, it is a complete health check, and also with some scans which they don't have here in Ishigaki anyway. So I'm using my flight to go to the dentist, and I will do my yearly complete health check, including the head scan and the body scan and so on and so on. So yeah, it might sound like posh, to take the plane, but actually it's not that expensive. I use the miles over the year. It's very easy to add the miles. And well, some people go on holidays they go skiing and they don't bother to spend a lot of money just to go skiing. For me, the health is most important. So I spend some time and money to look after my health, to make sure everything is well as it should be. It should be healthy. So this is we're on Friday, so I'm not gonna do another video over the weekend. I'm not gonna do a video about Nagoya City. That's not my topic here. So I'm going for a flight to the dentist and my health care. That's the story.